Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to get home insurance quickly and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel. Getting home insurance might seem complex, but today I'm going to make it simple and easy to follow. First, start by assessing your home's value, including the structure and your belongings. This will help you determine how much coverage you need. Next, research different insurance providers. Compare their policies, premiums, coverage limits, and customer reviews. Take notes of what fits your needs and budget. After narrowing down your options, request quotes from at least 3 companies. This provides a clear picture of the cost to expect. When you receive quotes, review the details carefully. Look for inclusions, exclusions, deductibles, and additional coverages that might matter to you. Now it's time to prepare your documents. Generally, you will need proof of ownership like a deed, recent home appraisal, and personal identification. Collecting these in advance speeds up the application. Then, apply either online, over the phone, or in person. Choose the channel that you find most convenient during the application. Be precise and honest about your home's condition and history. This ensures you get the right coverage without surprises. Later, some companies may send an inspector to assess your home. This helps them finalize your premium and coverage terms. If an inspection is required, schedule it as soon as possible. Once your application is approved, you will receive a policy document. Review it again. Carefully confirm all details match your expectations, and ask questions if something is unclear. Upon agreement, pay your first premium to activate the policy. Remember to keep a copy of your insurance documents safely for future reference. It's also wise to review your policy yearly or after major home improvements to keep coverage adequate. That is the complete process to get your home insured efficiently and with confidence.